In this video, I'll be revealing one of the secrets graphic designers don't want you to know. So if you want to know more secrets about graphic designing, kindly subscribe to this channel and then turn on post notification so you'll be notified anytime we drop a video like this. So let's begin this PICSART tutorial. So the app we are using here today is PICSART. So you click on our PICSART, then you hit the plus button. So you scroll all the way to the down, then you select the transparent color background. After selecting the transparent color background, you add the photo you want to add the edge, the curled edge to. So you select the photo. Okay, so this is what you are going to use. So you zoom it a little bit up. So after zooming, you click on stickers, then you type paper curl. Yes, you type this paper curl, then you search. After searching, you see a variety of ones, and this is the one we are using today, so we click on that. So this, you check the alignment very well. Okay, I think this is okay now. So this is just a simple trick, a very simple trick graphic designers who don't want you to know. So this is how you do it, and you can take it to other edges as well. So you just have to rotate it, then you move it to this edge. Same applies to other places. So you can do it like this too, then you bring it to this edge. Simple as that. So you can do this to your photos, yes, to beautify it without giving this to a graphic designer. So after doing this, go ahead and you apply, and then you click on next. So from here you can save it as a picture. So you save it. Alright, save to photos. So let's go back and check our gallery for this. So this is the picture. Hope you can all see. This is the picture. It has a transparent background. Yes, this is it. So thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on post notifications so you'll be receiving tutorials which are like this.